Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about getting our RV ready for our annual camping trip. We only have one scheduled for this year, so that's a little sad that we're doing all this for one trip. But we are washing the outside, getting the inside clean, and then in a future video we'll be packing. So come along for the ride. We're starting off by washing the outside. We have this RV cleaner that we use, and he's just gonna scrub all the sides. We're not getting up on the roof, we're just doing a little basic cleaning to get the grime off of it from sitting all winter. So we're just gonna do each side, and then we're gonna move on to the inside.
If only I'd have a time machine back then, I'd see us dancing in the kitchen night. No one thought we could ever make it. Didn't know time could move so fast. 10 years later and I'm still your baby. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me, of our love. She gon' love you like summer 15. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me, of our love. She gon' love you like summer 15.
Now that the outside's all clean, we're going to move on to the inside. So we're just gonna open her up, get the slides open, and then start on the inside. I'm gonna give you a little overview of the mess because, like most videos, you're not gonna be able to see it unless you're close up onto it, but it's sat all winter, so we're just gonna clean up the dust, put everything away, take blankets inside, and wipe things down and get rid of the mold that you see right there. Gross. But when it's not plugged in all winter, this is what happens. So I'm just gonna let the music play and enjoy.
Tell the story about you and me, of our love. She gon' love you like summer 15. Can't see myself without you now, it's overdue. We try to go our separate ways, but I come back, it's true. Maybe we're both missing out on life, playing by the rules. What if I'm changing for the better because of you? Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me, of our love. She gon' love you like summer 15. Hold tight, 'cause I know that we're changing, but I will be forever young in your arms. Tell the story about you and me, of our love. She gon' love you like summer 15. Gon' love you like summer 15. Like summer 15. What's the angle? I'm not playing that game. It's the same business with a different name. Who's the target? Sorry, I'm not in the market. If I quit buying, you can't sell me anything. halfway alive since I had you, and I want till I see you again. I don't mind to spend a little time away, but want your hands and not pixels on the web. Done with this internet. I run and I run, call you up, you're on the other side. Say my name, kiss my name, believe no more. It's like we're right here, then I realize, how can I have you when we're worlds apart? Say my name, we're not here, can only go so far. The quiet has a way with words. I think even my thoughts are letting up. Can't keep them from racing. It's driving me crazy. I'm picturing you till it hurts. And I don't mind to spend a little time away, but want your hands and not pixels on the web. Enough of this internet. I run and I run, call you up, you're on the other side. Say my name, kiss my name, believe no more. It's like we're right here, then I realize, how can I have you when we're worlds apart? Say my name, we're not here, can only go so far. I don't mind, but the moment I realize, I don't mind, but the moment I realize, I wanna hear you say that you only want me. That you only want me. Some kind of magic, you came into my life, and with that bedhead, you give me falling twice. Yeah, you're an angel and always on my mind. I wanna love you like I do on my own. Yeah, this is what it's about when it's just you and I, and the stars in the sky and the hum of the motor. It's so much better off alone. If I could live all my life tonight, we're not living on the
The RV is sparkling clean. Next time you see her, we'll be packing her full of cozy clothes, good food, and books for slow morning at the campsite. I can't wait to bring you along when we do the final vacation prep in a few weeks. Be sure to stick around for that one.